Hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Farms Study Circle. So today I will discuss about most important topic in upcoming drug inspectors examination in medical devices. Okay, so you have already discussed about in medical devices in 2017 rules in mention your syllabus in your examination pattern. Okay, I get started the medical devices in 2017 rules in chapters. What is the importance of chapters in medical devices rules and what helpful of chapters involved in medical devices and rules in 2017, and which department and which organization and what we process involved in what applications and follows in this medical devices in 2017 rules in particular chapters. Okay, so let's start the chapters. Okay, chapters, it's a medical devices rules in 2017 are mainly divided in 12 chapters. How many chapters are involved in medical devices? 12 chapters. There are totally 12 chapters covering various aspects of medical devices regulation in India. So key chapters include what the chapter 1 preliminary, and chapter 2 classification, grouping and essential principles, and chapter 3 authorities and notified bodies, and chapter 4 is manufacturing of medical devices, and a chapter 5 is import of medical devices, and a chapter 6 labeling and requirement, and a chapter 7 is a clinical investigation, and a chapter 8 permission of unclassified medical devices, and chapter 9 duties and powers of officers and notified bodies, chapter 10 registration of laboratories, and chapter 11 sale of medical devices, chapter 12 miscellaneous. So there are totally 12 chapters involved in medical devices rules in 2017. Okay, so deep explanation one by one chapters. Okay, so let's start the chapter 1. So chapter 1 is the preliminary. Okay, preliminary. So short title and commencement and applications and definitions. It is the chapter 1 involved in medical devices in rules and 2017. So it is a simply outlines of the short title and commencement and applications of the rules along with important definitions along with important definitions. Okay, this is called as a chapter 1 in medical devices rules in 2017. Okay, next one, chapter 2. Chapter 2 is a mainly important in classification and grouping and essential principles. So this is the essentially principle. Details in the classification of medical devices into risk categories and class A, class B, class C and class D grouping of devices, and the essential principles for ensuring their safety and quality. Safety and quality. So is a classification of medical devices and medical device grouping product and standards for medical essential principles of medical devices. This is called is the chapter 2 is regulation of medical devices in 2017 rules. Okay, next one, chapter 3. Chapter 3, it is a mainly authorities and officers and bodies. Authorities and officers and body licensing in authorities. So it is a simply delegation of power in controlling officer and NAB. What is the NAB stands for? National Accreditation Body. This is called NAB. Okay, this is called NAB. And the functions of NAB notified the body in National Accreditation Body. So the body procedure to be adopted and a fees to be charged for notified procedure and to be adopted fees to be changed the suspensions and cancellation of registration. It is the helpful of chapter 3. So it is a simply establishing the rules and powers of the central licensing authority and state license authority and notified bodies and medical devices testing centers and responsible for enforcing of the rules. Okay, this is called as a chapter 3 authorities and officers and bodies licensing authorities. Okay, next one, chapter 4. What is the chapter 4? Manufacture of medical devices for sale or for distribution. Okay, this is the chapter 4th. So simply applications, manufacture for manufacturing license and loan license, inspection of site grant license and conditions of license change in the constitutions. Okay, it is a helpful of chapter 4, chapter 4th in manufacturing of medical devices. What helpful role in medical devices rules covers the process for applying for inspecting and granting license for the manufacture of medical devices and along with conditions and suspensions and appeals related to the license. Okay, this is called as the chapter 4. Next one, chapter 5. What is the chapter 5 in important role in medical devices rules in 2017? Important for grant important license and inspection and oversees the manufacture important license and validity of license and license for important medical devices and hospital for patient in treatment of patient. Okay, this is called import of medical devices in chapter 5. Okay, addresses and applications, address and applications and import license. Okay, import license and overseas inspections, grant license and provision for the test in hospitals and a treatment of patient. It is a important of medical devices in chapter 5 is medical devices rules in 2017. Chapter 5th is followed. Okay, next one, chapter 6. Chapter 6. What is the chapter 6? Labeling of medical devices. Labeling of medical devices. Okay, so what helpful role in chapter 6? Labeling of medical devices, exception of labeling requirements for export. And next one, an acute device identification of the medical devices. Next, self life medical devices and labeling of medical devices purpose of testing in CI etc. Okay, so this is chapter 6, labeling and medical devices. Labeling and medical device, it's a simply and sets of the rules and requirements for the appropriate labeling of medical devices. Okay, this is called chapter 6. What is the chapter 7? Chapter 7 is clinical investigation of clinical investigation and medical devices and performance clinical performance and evaluation of new in vitro diagnostic medical devices. Okay, this is called chapter 7 is clinical investigation. Say details of the procedure for the obtaining permission for the clinical investigations and the management of studies and compensation for adverse events. So this is a simply what functions involved in chapter 7 in medical devices and rules in 2017. conducting clinical investigation. Next one, applications for grant permission of the clinical investigation, and clinical investigation conditions of permission of suspension, and a cancellation of the permission of suspension, and medical management. Okay, this is are all functioning in chapter 7 in medical devices rules in 2017. Okay, next one, chapter 8. What's the chapter 8? It's a import of manufacture and medical devices, and which does not have predict and device. Okay, predict and devices, it's a very simply covers the process for obtaining permission and obtaining permission for the manufacture or import of medical devices that do not have the predict and devices, do not have the predict the devices. So import of manufacturing medical devices and which does not have device permission in import or manufacture and in vitro diagnostic and medical devices permission. So chapter 8 it's involved in medical devices rules in functioning. What are the functioning in chapter 8? Import of manufacturing in medical devices and a proper devices permission and a import to manufacture the in vitro diagnostic in compulsory medical devices permission is granted in central government or state government rules follows in this chapter 8. Okay, next one, chapter 9. What is the chapter 9? Chapter 9 is duties of medical officer and medical device testing officer. Okay, this is the chapter 9. So simply duties and powers of officers and notified bodies. Okay, so simply can defines the responsibility and authority of medical devices officers and notified bodies. Okay, notified bodies, duties of the medical devices testing officer and the duties of medical devices officer. This is called chapter 9 follows in functioning medical devices rules. So what helps in chapter 9 in medical devices rules? Duties of medical devices officers. Okay, and testing office, medical devices and testing officers in follows in functioning in chapter 9. Okay, duties and powers of officers and notified bodies. Next one, chapter 10. What is the chapter 10? Registration of laboratories. Registration of laboratory for carrying out test or evaluation. Okay, so what is the chapter 10 involved that medical devices rules in 2017? Registration of laboratory and outlines of the requirements for registering and laboratories that will conduct tests or evaluation on behalf of manufacturers. Okay, say simply applications for registration medical devices testing laboratory condition to be complete for the register. Okay, next one, medical devices validity to any expire or manufacturing. So it is the chapter 10 involved. Chapter 10 it's involved in registration of laboratories. Okay, so what the main function roles in chapter 10 in medical devices rules in 2017? Outlines of the requirements for the registering laboratories that will conduct tests or evaluation for behalf of manufacturers. This is called as a chapter 10. Okay, next one, chapter 11. What is the chapter 11? Sale of medical devices. Sale of medical devices. Okay, so Simply provide guidelines and regulations for the sale of medical devices. So provisions of for sale of medical devices and recall of medical devices, supply of medical devices hospital against delivery chalana. So chalana is a paid. So what functions roles in medical devices in 2011 2017? Chapter 11, what functions roles in provisions for sale of medical devices and recall of medical supply and medical device to hospital against delivery in chalana. This is the MCQ. Okay. Provisions for sale of medical devices. Which chapter involved? Chapter 11. Okay. Next one, chapter 12. Finally, chapter 12. What is the chapter 12? Miscellaneous. Okay, it is a includes the provisions for the rejection of applications and debarment of applicants and other exception and rules. Okay, see exception for provisions of related to medical devices and export of medical devices and rejection application of debarment of application mode of payment of fees. And next one, distillation of form overriding effect savings. Okay, this is the chapter 12 is involved in medical devices in rules in 2017. Okay, this is called as today's section medical devices and 2017 rules and chapters. So this this section are most important upcoming in MCQs. First one, you can read and you can choose the MCQs get prepared in this section. Okay, so easily can MCQs can attempt the easy section. Short title and commencement applications of definitions. Which chapter follows? Chapter 1. Correct answer is chapter 1. Okay, next. Next one, medical devices grouping product standards for medical device essential principle of medical devices. Which chapters involves? Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Next MCQ. National accreditation body. Which chapter follows in medical devices rules in 2017? Chapter 3. Okay. MCQ 4. Manufacturer for licensing and license inspection of grant license. Which chapter follows in medical devices in rules in 2017? Chapter 4. Okay. MCQ 5. Validity of license. Validity of license. Which chapters involves in medical devices rules in 2017? Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is validity of license in functioning. Labeling of medical exception, labeling requirements, export. Which chapters involves functioning in labeling of medical devices? Chapter 6 follows in medical devices rules in 2017. Next MCQ. Shelf life of medical devices. Which chapters follows? Chapter 6. Next question. Which chapters conduct of clinical investigation? Chapter 7 is the correct answer. Next question. Which chapter medical management follows and functioning in medical devices and 2017 rules? Medical management is chapter 7. Chapter 7 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Import manufacture of medical devices which does not have. Import of manufacturing medical devices in rules in 2017, which chapter follows? Chapter 8 follows in import of manufacturing in medical devices. Next question. Manufacturing in vitro diagnostic permission. Which chapter involves in functioning in 2017 rules and medical devices? Manufacturing in vitro diagnostic and medical devices permission. Which chapters in follows? Chapter 8. Chapter 8 is the correct answer. Next question. Chapter 9. What functioning? Duties of MD test medical device testing and officers and duties of medical devices officers. So this is the chapter 9 functioning. Next question. What chapter 10 what functioning of medical devices 2017? Correct answer is applications of registration, medical devices testing and laboratory condition to be complained for registration. Okay. And medical devices validity, which chapter follows in medical validity? Chapter is chapter 10. Chapter 10 is correct answer. Okay. Next question. Provisions for sale of medical devices. Which chapter follows? Chapter 11 is the correct answer. Okay. Distillation from overriding effect savings. Which chapter? Chapter 12 follows in medical devices rules and 2017. Okay, this is the today class. It's a very important in upcoming drug inspector examination. So thank you everyone, thank you so much, and please share, subscribe Cuboid Pharmacy Study Circle channel. Thank you everyone.